Check this guys, it's very colorful. 'Di ba? Grabe yung atake niya, ang sarap sa mata. So ito yung The Sand Beach. Hi guys, it's me, Megan's Travel Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. So it's my day 1 here in Bali, Indonesia. So I'm currently here in Seminyak Island or Seminyak, Bali, Indonesia. So for today's video, I will tour you around Seminyak or around Seminyak Beach. So lucky because the weather is good, it's very sunny. So ayan, mainit-init siya guys. So ayan, mag-grab lang ako ng taxi going there sa Seminyak Beach, and then ayan, itutur ko kayo around the beach. So 5 to 8 minutes lang yung drive from my hotel to that beach. So ayan guys, I'll see you there. So ayan guys, nandito na ako sa taxi. So motorbike taxi guys. Init. Mura lang siya guys. Yeah. Hindi ko alam. Hindi na ako nag-compute. So, ayan guys. Ganito yung itsura ng Bali. Ang lapit lang pala ng beach. Sana hindi na ako nag-grab. Ayan lang pala. It's near. Kaloka guys. Malapit lang pala ng beach. Check din ng map minsan. Wow, it's beautiful. Ang lapit lang pala ng beach. Kaloka. How much? 8,500, right? Okay. 8,500. I don't know how much that in time. Kayo na bahala mag-compute guys. Indonesian rupee to baht. 8,000. So, well, how much is this? 2,000? Yeah. Yeah, 20,000. 20,000 pala yung binigay ko. Okay. So, yan guys, I'm here na. So, ito yung niya guys. Ito yung bungad niya guys ng Seminyak Beach. So, meron siyang gate. Ang mga Indonesian mahilig sa mga gate. No? So, ayan, grabe. Ang ganda. Pero, yung wave super super wavy. So, hindi ko alam kung pwedeng mag-swim. Pero may nagsiswimming naman. Pero it's super wavy. Like, wow, it's giving. The nature is giving. Wow. Ganda, ang init. Pero grabe. Diba? Grabe yung wave. Ang guys, ang windy. Yeah. Pero ang init. So meron silang restaurant around the beach. So yung mga magbalak mag-swimming dito sa Seminyak Beach, merong restaurant diyan sa may beach area. As you can see right there. So pero hindi ko alam kung yung wave kasi super wavy. Like I don't know, I cannot swim there because I'm scared. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-wavy. Ayun guys, di ba? Super wavy siya. Ayan, magsiswimming ka pa ba pag ganyan? Parang surfing area yata to. Yeah, it's good for surfing. Wow, it's amazing. Like, siya, basta different yung vibes niya sa Thailand. So, yung Thailand, iba yung ganda niya. Yung Bali, iba din yung ganda niya, guys. So ito yung first beach ko dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So for sure there's a lot more. Yeah, of course, there's a lot more. Like there's a lot of beach here around around Bali, Indonesia. So yeah. So this is my first beach, Seminyak Beach. Hey, may nakita ko, guys. Grabe. Ha? What?
Jagung bakar. Corn.
I don't understand.
You need corn?
No, it's fine. Say hi to my vlog.
Where are you going?
Nothing. I just,
Looking.
Yeah, what is this?
Temple.
Can I go inside? No.
No, inside, outside only.
Oh,
but if you go outside, much less closed. But
Okay, yeah.
Where
But
are
it's
you
the
come from?
Philippines.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So yun guys, ang friendly ni Kuya. So tinanong ko kung pwede ba akong enter dito sa may temple. But I can't enter because I'm wearing shorts and yeah, look at this. Look at what I do. See? Hindi pwede yung suit ko for the temple. So next time kailangan ko pajama. Sorry. So it is Adat Seminyak. Yeah. So para siyang guys, charcoal yung tsura. Ang ganda niya guys. Dark temple. Wow. Na-excite ako guys kasi yung feeling na first time mo sa sa lugar and then strangers ka. Parang ganun. Well, I have internet, so kung sakaling mawala ako, meron akong Google Map. Yeah. Ayan, may mga restaurant guys around the beach. No, it's fine. Thank you. Ang ng mga ang friendly ng mga driver dito. So they are calling you sister. Like, yeah, they respect you, all the driver here in Bali. So I salute them. And another beach, another restaurant. Hello. Wow. Oh my God. Hi. No, it's fine. Thank you. Ayan guys, may nagbebenta ng ng parang souvenirs, accessories around the beach. So, very friendly talaga sila. Ano yan? Guys, may ako na nakita ko. So, puntahan natin. So, ayun lang siya, parang gate. Ayan, Mesari Beach Inn. Okay. So, parang Mesari Beach Inn. So, I don't know. Balik tayo sa dagat. So, around the area guys, merong mga restaurant. Surfing lesson, ganyan. Yeah. Tapos, basta, kita nyo. Hi! And guys, see? They're very friendly, right? Wow, as in. Parang favorite ko na tong Bali. Charot. Ayan guys, may nagbebenta ng mga souvenirs around the beach. See? As I said a while ago, surf lesson and rent board. Pero hindi ako magsa-surfing. Pero hindi ako magsa-surfing for sure. Kasi mainit. Yung weather, guys. So, napansin ko lang dito sa Bali, Indonesia, guys. Mahilig sila sa mga sa mga temple, yung parang ayan, yung mga hindi ko alam, anong tawag diyan? Yeah, I think yung mga basta yung mga traditional na yung mga ganyan. Tapos basta napaka siya, parang historical thing. Ganda. Wow. Like, ayun lang siya, yung beach, tapos, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, guys. So, ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. Ganito lang. Wala siyang, wala siyang mga trees. May mga trees siya, pero yung trees na ganyan, may naman, may umbrella, beach umbrella naman. Wow, it's amazing. Philippines. Yeah. Hi. I don't know. I am just, it's my first day here.
First day?
Yeah, first day. So I don't know what to do. Until 24.
24.
Yeah.
Oh. What's your name?
Megan.
Megan.
Yeah.
I'm Stefan.
You're Balinese?
No.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sumatra.
Sumatra.
You know Sumatra?
But Indonesia, right?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Another island.
So this is the capital area for surfing, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
You can try.
I don't know how. Maybe tomorrow I can try. But
So-
today I just need to
You can get
check.
your contact on social media.
Yeah. Like WhatsApp or what?
You have got my phone.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay.
Up to you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Instagram or WhatsApp.
Yeah, here.
I can teach you
Yeah.
if you want.
Ayan guys, may nag-offer na surfing lesson.
Yeah.
Si Kuya. For the surfing lesson. Yeah. What's your name again?
Stefan.
Stefan, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Megan.
Megan. Yeah. I'll see you. Okay. Yeah.
Are you content creator?
Yeah, but it's I'm a beginner,
Where you upload the video?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, bye. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, very friendly. Very friendly ng mga ng mga taga-Indonesia. As in, yung parang, hindi ko alam, sila yung mag-offer ng basta iba yung vibe niya, iba yung vibe. I mean like, sa ibang country, naman, very friendly din naman yung ibang country. Kaso yung nila, yung basta iba yung atake nila, para sa akin. So sabi niya, ayun guys. Diba? Kaya yung wave is ganyan siya kalakas kasi for talaga siya, for surfing. So sa mga nagbabalak mag-surfing dyan guys, halina kayo sa may Seminyak Beach area. So perfect siya for surfing. Kung sa Pilipinas, Siargao, dito sa Bali, Indonesia, Seminyak for For surfing capital. Ang daldal ko, guys. Check this, guys. It's very colorful. Diba? Grabe yung atake niya. Ang sarap sa mata. So, ito yung The Sand Beach Bar Restaurant. So, very colorful lang. Ganda ng atake. Like, wow. Ang ano niya, guys, ang haba ng ano niya. Ang haba na nilakad ko, ha. Ayan na naman, guys, meron na naman silang ano. See, I told you, like, hindi ko alam yung mga tawag dyan. Parang statue, mga ano, basta mga historical, ano. Diba? Ang init. It's... Mayroon pa dun hanggang dun, guys, pero dito muna ako daan kasi mainit. Mainit, guys. Ang itim ko na. Grabe yung ano, grabe yung weather. So, ano nila, yung pinaka 7-Eleven nila yung ganyan, yung Mart. Yeah, yun yung pinaka 7-Eleven nila dito. Meron naman yung parang gate. Diba? Very, very historical yung atake ng ano, Indonesia. Ng Bali, Indonesia. Yeah. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. Saan ako pupunta, pero let's see where. So, I'm here sa loob. Kasi nauhaw ako, guys. So, kailangan ko ng ano, water. Yeah, this one is fine. So, ganito yung tsura lang nila, guys. Mart. So, parang 7-Eleven. Yeah, yung color. Like, so, tinatanong ako ng ano, ng cashier. Ano na yung nagtitinda sa may loob. Kung ano ba ako, vlogger or something. So, nahiya ako, guys. So, nahiya akong share yung channel ko kasi ano, hindi pa naman ganun gaano kalaki yung ano, yung views niya, di ba? So, nakakaya mag-share. Ano muna ako, guys. Just wait. By the way, dito rin sa Bali, Indonesia, pwede kang mag-rent ang motorbike. Parang sa Thailand. So, pwede kang mag-rent ng motorbike. As you can see, there's a lot of motorbike around. See? Bala ko mag-rent ng motorbike, pero may binuka akong tour tomorrow, pero hindi ko alam kung matutuloy siya. So, I'll see. Kung hindi matuloy, mag-book ako ng motorbike. So, basta yung vlog na to, guys, parang lakad-lakad lang. So, around Seminyak. And then yung beach, di ba? So, bahala na kayo, guys. Mainit siya, pero at least may mga trees around. So, refreshing. Kasi windy rin, mahangin. Guys, ang init. Uy, tulog na ako, uy. I'm already burned. Ito may English. Para siyang ano guys, parang Pilipinas. Like, as in yung vibes, parang ano, South Philippines. Kasi parang same lang, pero doon, there's no... yeah, pwede ka rin magrentang motorbike pala, pero hindi yung ganito karami around. Parang traffic pa dito sa ano, Bali.